We get asked all the time, why, why are we participating with St. Christopher in Truck Driver Appreciation Week? Or why are we participating with Mike Dickon, the Gridiron Greats and Pork Rind Appreciation Day? And the reason is simple. Since its inception, Rudolph Foods has been in a small town in Lima, Ohio. Now, we're worldwide now, but those small town roots left us with a legacy of investing back in our communities, investing back with the people on our teams. And these two great charities are just are one of many, many that we support, but that we want to highlight. One, because they've got a great story to tell, and we can help them tell that story. But two, because it's just in our DNA. We always say, if we don't mess this up, we're just friends making money together, and helping our friends, especially in tough times like this, is just what I would encourage us all to do.